Hey, Jody from recteq. I'm going to show you how to burn in your new wood pellet grill. Stay tuned. After assembling your new wood pellet grill, it's time to burn it in. You're going to put some pellets in your hopper. You're also going to take a handful of pellets and place it inside your fire pot. That primes the auger tube and gives the grill something to light. You'll then replace everything on the inside of the grill. We'll close the grill, turn the power on, and set it to 400 degrees. You'll allow your grill to achieve 400 degrees and let it sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, your burn-in is complete and your grill is safe to eat off of. We suggest cooking something super fatty. That way you get a good sheen of seasoning on the inside of your grill. Now, cooking something super fatty is just suggested and it is not required. Your first cook can be anything you like.